Yo guys, what's going on? I'm the Random Ducky and welcome back to the Random Ducky channel. We've got Random Duckies there! Yeah, I need to put it up still, but I was too lazy, so I just plucked it down on a chair. It's barely visible, but it gives like a cool effect if I turn my chair. It's like, duckies are gone. And then bum 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 duckies. But anyways, guys, I have no idea what that was about. So we have a new Ekoh song. Ekoh, the sound of falling. Now I am not sure what this is. You know, I love Ekoh. Ekoh makes amazing music, but you guys by now may also know that I'm mostly into rap. What I really am not into is metal type of music. And there's been like a period of time. Now a friend recommended me a song. I might do that reaction tomorrow or the day after. That is like a mix between metal and rap from a band that, while I was looking into the band itself, I figured out that they went on tour with Ekoh. So maybe this might be my first step into that type of music. But I don't know, it might be a full rap song like he did with Take 9. I don't know with Ekoh, and that's why I've been listening to less Ekoh lately, checking out less of him. Mostly he's been touring, he's not been working towards an album like the way Token and Webby are working towards an album. He's dropping very sporadically, but also most of the times I click it open and it's metal with a bit of rap, but mostly singing. And like I said on previous videos, I have to be, for rap I can always listen to, because I have artists for different moods. Other genres, they really depend on my mood. But we're gonna check Ekoh out and we're gonna see what's up. So, Hard Hop Gang, let's get it. Yeah, okay, this is more metal, I think. Woo. Sounds good though. Ooh. Hold up. So it is more metal combined with rap. It gives me like, I don't even know what my... Like a good... One of my best friends, he recommended me like, what was it? From Ashes to New? This really reminds me of like, he let me listen to like a small part of a different song than that he recommended, because he recommended it for a reaction. This sounds good, but he's also, I think, got bars in there that we need to break down. So also guys, if I look like shit, I've had a rough shift at work, but I want to get this out of here because recording helps me, but I really need to sleep, but I can't sleep until like I've had enough distraction. But anyways, I was gonna go back and I was gonna check it out a bit better, because I wasn't really listening for lyrics. The beat is good.
Many times I gotta prove I'm wrong. Hope I break down, breathing in, I'm trying to keep it calm. Trapped here, feeling like there's no one I can trust. In this black mirror telling me I'll never be enough.
So he's saying, I hear him hate, how many times do I have to prove him wrong? Then they're saying that they hope that he breaks down, but he's trying to keep calm. But he feels trapped here because he has a feeling that there's no one he can trust, and he's looking in a black mirror. so like pessimistically, and it's telling him he'll never be enough. This is sick. Sick.
In this black mirror telling me I'll never be enough. So get your foot off of my chest and let me breathe. I don't know the person you expected me to be. Try to brush it off, but I'm just holding it inside. I swear to God that no one fucking feeding all my insecurities.
Ooh, like the and let me breathe. Me expecting me to be insecurity. Again, the rhyme scheme, the flow, but like I don't mind the heavy, like the, how do I say this? Like the guitar, the drum is making a nice beat, like a really nice rap beat. Then the guitar in it goes hard, but I don't mind it. It fits with his voice. It fits with what he's saying. It fits with how he's flowing. This is done really well.
Holding it inside and swear to God that no one fucking feeding all my insecurities. I don't think I can hear myself when these voices talk. I can't blame nobody else, cause it's me talking to myself. It gets so loud.
Ooh, wait. I know he's gonna get into the like the chorus part or like the wild part, but I want to just hear what he was saying.
I don't think I can hear myself when these voices talk. I can't blame nobody else, cause it's me talking to myself. It gets so loud inside my head, and that's the sound of me falling.
It gets so loud inside my head, and it's the sound of me falling. Whoo. It's getting louder, I can barely make out. Like, I know Ekoh can come with the lyricism, but like the way it fits with the song and the melody, like the melody, the flow, the way the guitar is going, the hardness of the song, like it conveys the same as the lyrics do. Because I think I'm assuming this was the chorus, where he said it gets so loud inside my head, it's the sound of falling. Then he's saying that another attempt, I'm trying to find out, is it just in my head or can you hear it too? Like, is it just me that's hearing the sound of me falling? Of me like going down, of me breaking down? Or can you hear it too? Maybe even, if I need to interpret this, I would interpret this to like, do you have an idea what's going on? What I'm going through? Like, do you hear what I'm hearing? No? Shut the fuck up. That's how I interpret this. Again, this is the first time I'm actually sitting down and listening to something like this. Because it's Ekoh. I always check out new Ekoh. But it's the second time he dropped. First time was Tech 9 and we checked that out. I will always check out what he drops. Like, I gotta admit, this isn't really my genre of music. I wouldn't put this in a playlist and listen to it while working or while on my way to work. But I would put this in another playlist. A playlist for certain moods, for certain times, for certain... You know what I mean? Don't be thinking wrongly. I mean, like, when you're feeling like a bit, now you need a bit energy, but also you want to relate.
I swear to God, it's getting louder, I can barely make out anything besides this overwhelming sound of my doubts. Every day is like a fight to find the knob and turn it down or drown it out with any pain that I can find in this house. But now I'm starting to feel like my mom when I was younger. Maybe it's genetic.
Whoa! Oh, now we're getting into it, but I need to go back a bit. If you're not listening this with headphones on, try listening this song with headphones on, like that. That was insane. I need to hear what he was saying.
It's getting louder, I can barely make out anything besides the
Getting louder.
overwhelming sound of my doubts. Every day is like a fight to find the knob and turn it down or drown it out with any pill that I can find in this house. But now I'm starting to feel like my mom when I was young.
Oh, okay, I'm getting goosebumps now. Like, damn. Are you saying like we're still on the sound of falling, the sound of breaking down, of crashing? My interpretation again. Are we saying it's getting louder? I can barely make out anything besides the sound inside my mind, inside my doubts. Like, now it's his doubts that he's hearing. And then in the video you can see like he's in a sofa, the room is flooded, he's like lighting, is it a cigarette, is it drugs? We don't know. But he's saying like every day is a fight to like, and then he gets really into, like, I do the same, like to convey what's going on inside your head, you put it into like imagery, you compare it to something. Here he's comparing the fight to like get this sound out. He's saying it's like it's a fight to find the knob, the sound button, the volume knob, to turn the sound down or drown it out with any pill that I can find in this house. So it's definitely drugs. It's basically sound is getting louder, the sound of my doubts. So not the sound of falling, the sound of my doubts, of me. Like, I've said this in a video before, I have a lot of like sound of doubts, like Ekoh says it, in my head, where I had it tonight during work, where the whole time there is some voice in my head going, you can't do this, you can't do this, you're fooling yourself, you're fooling yourself, like give up, it's not worth it, you're not gonna make it, you can't do it. Like, not in a bad way, yeah, like in a way like give up / quit that, or like give up on this shift and just go home. Like this voice, so that's what he's saying. Like, and it's getting louder and he can't like hear any other thoughts. Like he can't hear like him remembering a compliment he got or a good comment he got or like a lyric, because the doubts are too loud and they're too overwhelming. And then he's saying like, I either fight to find the knob and turn it down, like get it to an acceptable level, or I need to like search my house for whatever pills I have left. Again, going into addiction is a like substance abuse addiction is a direct consequence of like these doubts, and you're like trying to drown them out, which unfortunately is very relatable. And if you want to hear more on why it's relatable, come to the channel July 24th. If you relate with this song, you might want to come to my channel on July 24th. Let's continue.
Besides this overwhelming sound of my doubts, every day is like a fight to find the knob and turn it down or drown it out with any pill that I can find in this house. But now I'm starting to feel like my mom when I was younger. Maybe it's genetic, maybe she was really taking all the shit to fix the headache. They told me that this will kill you if you let it, but I question, is it me or are the voices in my head that said it? Cause there's a devil on my shoulder trying to test my faith, but never taking credit for all of this mess I've made. I need a double barrel pillow just to rest my face, so give me silence or it's Kurt Cobain. So
I need a double-barreled pillow just to rest my face? Kurt Cobain, like give me silence like Kurt Cobain. I need to go back, and I kind of don't want to go back because this became way too relatable. Like, don't even mind that it's not my type of music, because maybe I need to re-examine my opinion on this, I need to re-examine my opinion on this type of music, and I need to go back and listen to more of like Ekoh's music like this, and maybe the Ashes to Dawn or something like that. Like, I need to check what my friend recommended, because this hit pretty fucking hard. Jesus Christ. I'm saying, like I said, as soon as he went on to like the drown it out with a pill, I knew we were gonna get more relatable, and I immediately got goosebumps. But he's saying, like, I'm starting to feel like my mom when I was younger. So his mom was a drug addict when he was younger, taking pills, or never really there. But like the way music, like, it panned with the like, and then it went in hard, and it would go into like again, like a harder bit before the chorus. And it's there that he absolutely, it was, I don't know what he was saying. I need to go back a bit. But like this moment, the video. So is it me, or are the voices in my head that said it? They will kill you if you let it. Like the voices in your head, if you start listening to them, if you start letting them convince you, guide you, you'll probably end up dead. Like, they will kill you. They are lethal. They are dangerous. Sorry. But also, it was like, I was starting to feel like my mom when I was younger. And then he says, maybe it's genetic. Like, maybe it's in my genes. Maybe I'm just destined to have this. But he's saying, like, was she, like, taking those pills to, like, probably painkillers then? To, like, sedate or fix a headache? Or was she taking them to drown out these sounds of doubt, these sounds of falling that I'm hearing now? And that's when he goes into the, like, I need to listen to that part, but like the double barrel pillow, Kurt Cobain, that's pretty obvious bar. Kurt Cobain unfortunately shot himself through the head with a double barrel. He's saying a double barrel pillow? I'm gonna go back out and listen in a second, but while I have it paused, double barrel pillow, the pillow to fit the rest of my face, also to get some sleep, which in a sense he probably can't sleep because of those voices, of those doubts, those sounds. So like the pillow, double barrel pillow would be like the double barrel pillow would be a final rest, like a final sleep. He finally can sleep. This is how fucking deep this goes. Like, I need to reevaluate my opinion about this kind of music. I just noticed this now, like the beat. The doom, 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 doom. There's like a little bit of like reverb on it. Now it's like cause there's a devil on my shoulder trying to test my faith, but never taking credit for all of this mess I've made. I need a double barrel pillow just to rest my face. So give me silence. So getting faster. It gets so loud inside my head. What's the sound of me falling into another attempt trying to fight now. Is it just in my head, or can you hear it too? Video as well. Now every
voice inside me grows. It used to keep me company, but now when I'm alone, it gets
Every moment the sound inside my head grows. It used to keep me company, but now when I'm alone. So like I used to like this voice. I liked having this voice because at least I wasn't alone. But it's just been growing and growing, and it's been getting so big that now when I'm alone, like it can't, it's like too much. I think he's going for, or he's going back into the chorus, which again, like so loud inside my head. Another attempt. Trying to find out, is it in my head or can you hear it too? Like it's so loud. So if he goes back, I think with time we have left, he's gonna go into another chorus. I don't think we have another verse coming. Maybe like a fast rapping verse. But like he's saying like every side, like that's the worst thing. Like that's something, I've said that before. Why do I always listen to music or watch something or have something on in the background? It's because silence, it feeds this. Like, if there's another sound that I can get distracted by, I don't need to listen to what's going on inside there. And I don't need to, it can't like grow out of proportion. Like I can't go overthinking and spiraling while I'm getting constantly distracted by lyrics. Not even relatable lyrics, just good lyrics. Like, that's why I listen so much Webby, so much Eminem, because they, like, you listen to them, and to some of them, you're immediately distracted. Immediately caught up in their lyricism, in their flow, in their beats. Ekoh has the same, but like this song, he had the relatability on another level. Like, once it goes silent, once there's silence, your head will become more and more active, and it's the only thing you can hear. And in some way, it keeps you company. You're not alone, because you always have like something going on. You always have something to listen to pay attention to. But it's not something good. And it gets louder. Again, that's how I interpret it.
It used to keep me coming. The voice inside me grows. It used to keep me company. But now when I'm alone, it gets so loud inside my
Ooh.
head.
It's a bit slow,
And
yeah.
that's the sound of me falling into another attempt trying to fight now. Is it just in my head, or can you hear it?
Can you hear it too? I like this video. What was that at the end? Like this. The credits, okay. So there's nothing like. Okay, so basically the end part, like I said, double barrel pillow, Kurt Cobain, and the bridge is now every single moment the voice inside me grows. It used to keep me company. Now when I'm alone, it gets so loud inside my head. The chorus. Again, I'm convinced I need to listen to more of this type of music. Like, you guys suggest some things. I'm gonna go check out that From Ashes to New thing that my friend said. But like, again, this was awesome. Like, I'm gonna go back to some Ekoh songs. I'm probably gonna do them for the channel right here. But anyways, guys, this has been it for me. This was Ekoh with The Sound of Falling, which was insane. It was like, I'm convinced I need to listen to more of this. So let me know down in the comments what you want to hear. Again, if you could relate with that part of the song or you want to know more, July 24th on this channel. Special video going up. Oh, why it's a special video, why that day, it will all be explained in the video itself. But again, if you don't want to miss this, if you want to be notified, you can subscribe, you can hit that bell, you can always leave a like and let me know some suggestions in the comments, or just let me know what you thought of this song, because this is something different than what I've covered before, but it's also something different than I'm used to from Ekoh. Because, like I said again, I need to revise my opinion, reevaluate my opinion, whatever, because I haven't listened to Ekoh in a while, because I only listen to like the rap songs, the pure rap songs, well, like Pete, like the Tech 9 Nobody Like Me song. So again, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you take care of yourself, take care of others, but us, most importantly, stay chill, stay vibing, and stay mother effing good. And I'll see you guys on the next one.